Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, The Crafty Closet. So today I'm going to be showing you how to sublimate over glitter heat transfer vinyl. Now, this is going to be a project where you can use it on a 100% cotton shirt and you can still sublimate on it without having to use any type of spray. So we're going to be sublimating on glitter vinyl. So for this project, you're going to need some t-shirts. Then you're going to need your glitter heat transfer vinyl. I'm using the Caesar brand glitter heat transfer vinyl, and this is the rainbow white. Your vinyl has to be white in order for this project to work. Then you're going to need some heat resistant tape, your scissors, your weeding tool, your sublimation paper. This is the A-Sub sublimation paper in 8.5 by 14. Your vinyl cutter to cut your glitter vinyl. And none of this can be done without your EcoTank Epson printer. So this is the Epson EcoTank 2803. Great printer, y'all. If you're still looking to find a reasonably priced printer that you can convert, this is it. And I got a video on it already, so win-win. Want to know how to use sublimation over glitter vinyl? Then you know what you got to do. You got to stick around. Got to stick around. Okay, so let's get into our sublimation over white glitter heat transfer vinyl. For this project, we're going to be using two PNG files. So these are going to be print and cut files. Now the first one I chose, and they're already loaded on my canvas, is this one right here. This is really cute, right y'all? So I got this image off of Etsy, and I chose it because I really liked the way the colors looked with it, and also I knew that once I put it on top of that white glitter vinyl, it's going to pop. So as you can see, this is a print and cut file, so you don't have to do anything with it, and it's already measured out to the perfect size for our print and cut, which is taking us to 7.431 by 10.373. Now, I told you guys before, recently I've been getting this little error message about the image is going to print poor, hot, low resolution, whatever, but it's been fine. So I don't know. I may uninstall and reinstall my Design Space if it continues to happen. It doesn't bother me. It's just annoying. So now that we have our first image together, we are going to next add our offset. Now remember, our offset is going to be that white glitter vinyl. Now let's see. It has a lot of little intricate like stars and dots, so that's why the offset is taking a little longer than normally. But once it hits, it'll be fine. I'm just going to, I know this is going to be too wide for me. So once it, once it gets on the screen, because it's taking quite a little while, we're going to go ahead and see what happens with it. Now this thing is taking, I don't know, I told y'all, my computer been acting up recently. Here we go. So now, this is our glitter heat transfer vinyl under here. That's still too wide for me. Now, yeah, this is perfect. So as you can see, this is great because let me apply it. Oh man, I did it before. I could show you guys because the thing was in the way. So, all right, so let's just do it again. Let's go ahead and click offset, and I'm just gonna bring it in. So I'm gonna bring the offset into, what is this, 0.153. As I do want it to capture all of these little stars, and that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to move this over so you could see it, but let's just wait for it to load again. And again, it's taking forever. And I'm going to change it from corner to curve because I want it to be like exactly like straight like these down here. So while we're waiting on that, I got this image. Oh, okay, here we go. I was going to tell you I got it from Etsy again, but I already said that. So here we go. And now, perfect. This is exactly what I want. I am going to, I think, bring it in just a taste. You know what? I'm not, because I want you guys to get comfortable with doing it. So we're going to leave it as wide as it is. It's fine for me. I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. And now this is going to attach to our image. Now you see it's black. I have to change it because, of course, I'm already working in print and cut, so it thinks this is going to be a print and cut file. So remember to go up to your operation and change that print and cut to a basic. Now turn to silver. It's going to be white. But this is it in all its glory. Now it doesn't look like much, but once we press it on the shirt, you guys are going to see how amazing it looks. So let's go ahead and put this on a t-shirt right quick. And this is going to go on our t-shirt right here. Classic. Oh, what am I doing? Templates. T-shirt. And this is going to go on our classic t-shirt. And let's just go ahead and fix the size. You know, visual, visual, visual. That's what I do. And now let me just change this up here to, what am I changing it to? Women, short sleeve. I'm actually going to put this on a sweater because once I did it and it came out so great, I was like, oh, okay, I need to put this on a sweatshirt. Probably even a hoodie. I'm just going to change this to black. Going to take my grip marks off. This is her on a shirt. Let me just bring it up and out so you guys can see it. Now, wait till we press it, y'all. You're going to be so amazed. Like, oh my God, that really looks good. So, okay. So, we're finished with this one. This is our messy bun. I'm going to go ahead and hide my shirt so I can show you guys the second image we're going to be doing. And I won't have to reload everything. So, let's hide our shirt. And let's hide our first image. And let's go ahead, bring our grid boxes back. Let's show you our second image. And I got this one right here. Now this is cute, right? It says Mama, blessed, stress, and sometimes a mess. Because that really is Mama's life. So let me just make this a little bigger so you guys can really see it. Now again, this is a PNG file. I got this one from Design Bundles. And this one was free. And now we're going to go ahead and add our offset to this. It's already preset it to exactly what it needs to be in the correct parameters for print and cut. 7.4 by 7.6. So here we go. Let's go ahead and add our, let me slide it so you can see it. Let's add our offset to this one. And okay. I'm going to bring this in just a little bit. Okay. Okay. There we go. Let's go ahead and hit apply. And now we're going to, of course, change it. Go back to your operation. Change your offset to basic cut. We're going to change this to white. And here we go. Voila. So remember, the Mama, blessed, stress, and sometimes a mess is our PNG sublimation cut file. Our white is going to be our glitter. It doesn't look like much, y'all, on this canvas, but once we press it, you're going to see how great they look. So let's go ahead and put this one on a t-shirt. So let's just move this over for now. And now let's go ahead and get back to our t-shirts. And here we go. I don't know why I keep writing this shirt. I don't know. I don't know. What is wrong with me? T-S-H-I-R-T. Yes. T-shirt. Okay, here we go. Classic t-shirt. I'm going to go ahead and let's again fix our sizes. This is a medium. And now this is going to go on my, let me slide this over. And let me move you out the way right here. And let me change my shirt color to yellow, because that's the color this is going on. Okay, sorry for coming in screaming like that. Let's take off our grid boxes. Let's bring our image right here. And now we're just going to make it bigger so you guys can see it. And there you go. Now, this is the way you will use your sublimation on top of the glitter heat transfer vinyl. Now remember, your vinyl has to be white glitter for this project to work. As always, I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, y'all. And we're going to go ahead and press this, cut this, and put it on our shirt. And you guys are going to have to stick around to the end to make sure that it comes out as fabulous as I'm telling you it's going to come out. So, this is the Crafty Closet. As always, it's been a pleasure showing you guys how to do some crafts. And with that being said, be well, my friends, and don't forget to stick around to the end.